Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation, by prayer and petition with thanksgiving, present your request to God. And the peace of God, which transcends all understanding, will guard your hearts and your minds in Christ Jesus. Have you ever felt weighed down by worry, like your thoughts won't stop racing? Philippians 4:6-7 gives us God's antidote to anxiety. Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation, present your requests to God, and the peace of God will guard your hearts and minds in Christ Jesus. It begins with a bold call. Do not be anxious about anything. Easier said than done, right? But Paul doesn't leave us hanging. He gives us the way forward. In every situation, turn worry into prayer. Bring it to God instead of carrying it alone. Notice the phrase, with thanksgiving. Gratitude shifts our focus from fear to faith. And when we do this, something powerful happens. The peace of God steps in. It's a peace that doesn't always make sense. It transcends understanding. Like a fortress, His peace guards our hearts and minds. And notice, it's not self-made peace. It's peace in Christ Jesus. So the next time anxiety rises, pause, pray, thank God, hand it over. You'll find His peace can steady you even in the middle of chaos. This isn't a one-time practice, it's a daily rhythm of trust. Today, let His peace guard you. Don't carry the weight alone. Give it to Him. The God who calls you to peace is faithful, and He will meet you there.